What is going on, guys? It is Mr. No here, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to make a Minecraft server if you guys do not know how to. Now, in this video I'm going to be covering the port forwarding and the static port setup. So most videos don't cover that. They just tell you how to make the server part, but they don't show you how that it actually runs and everything. So first things first, what you guys are going to want to do is you guys are going to want to go to the Minecraft.net downloads. The link will be in the description below, and you're going to want to download. I personally like downloading the Java one, so this guy down here, not the exe, because you can actually edit the Java one and make it kind of like how you want to run it. Now next you're going to want to copy this right here. So copy this right where it says Java all the way down, and you're just going to copy that. Now what you're going to want to do is we're going to make a new folder on your desktop and just name it, just make it Minecraft server, whatever. Oh, okay, let's just make it, I'll make it test server then. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is we're going to open it up and drag and drop this folder that, or the file that we just downloaded. So we're just going to drag and drop it in here. And you guys are going to make sure that you rename the folder and get rid of 1.8.1. Just make it Minecraft server, Minecraft underscore server. So, once you do that, you're going to want to make a text document, name it run. So, and you're going to paste that little code that we had, and see how it says minecraft.jar. This right here tells what file it's going to be running. So you're going to want to make sure it has the same name as this. You don't need .jar in it because it already is a .jar file. Now, right here is where you edit how much RAM you're gonna have on your server. Like right now, this is 1 full gigabyte. This is 1 gigabyte, and you don't have to go by like 2 gigabytes. I just do 2 gigabytes, 3 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes. I'll have a list in the description of like all the different types of megabytes up to 10. My computer has 8 gigs, so I'm just gonna put it on. I'll just put it on 3 for right now. This is a little less than 3 actually. This is like 2. So now you're going to press save as, where it says text documents. Press all files, and then you want to press run. Type in run.bat, and you just want to save that. And then now you can delete your text file. So then now you should have it look like this. So if you right click on run, it should say edit, and you should have that. Now you're going to press on run, open up run. Actually, before you do this, you're going to want to download this. The link will be in the description too, the JRE Java. You can't have normal Java, you have to have this JRE one, or Java SE runtime environment, whatever. Now you're going to want to get the one that lines up with your computer. So mine is a Windows 64-bit, so it's going to be the X64. Now I recommend having this one because it's an exe, not tar.gz. So I recommend don't get the one that says tar.gz. Get the one that says exe, unless you have a Mac or a Linux. I don't know which one you'd pick. Just pick the top one or whatever. I don't know. So you're going to want to download that, install it, and just install. I don't know. And you might want to just get the normal Java, which is agree, and start downloading. Just set up that. So once you got that, you can now run your server, and we're going to wait, and a EULA should pop up, which is an agreement you have to agree. So we're just going to edit that and put false to true. Okay, just put false to true, and just save it, and now you should be able to run the server. So we're just going to wait for that to run up. If you guys want to know how to make a 1.8 Minecraft bucket server, they updated the 1.8, so now you can create 1.8 servers now of your own, of Spigot or Bucket. If you guys want a video on how to do that, just comment in the description. I'll tell you guys how to do that. I'll make a video of it right away if you guys want. So now you're gonna wait for it to say done, and then whatever parentheses, you're just gonna type in the console stop, and it should say saving chunks or whatever, and then it should all close. Now that doesn't mean that people can play it now. Now guys, don't start up the server by pressing on this. Press on run, so you can have all that memory when you start it up. Now guys, this does not mean that your server is now ready for use. What you guys are gonna want to do, you want to go to your control. Alright guys, so you guys are gonna want to go to your control panel, and how you do that is you go to your PC or whatever this is, your OSC or drive or whatever, the little computer box. Open control panel. This is for Windows 8, so you guys may not have that. Next, you're going to want to press on Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, then press on Change Adapter Settings. Now, once you're on this, you're going to press on whichever one you're using right now. I'm using Ethernet, so I'd press on this one. If you guys are using Wi-Fi, you're just going to press on Wi-Fi. And you guys are going to press on it, press on Properties. Next, you guys are going to press on, go down, all the way down to the bottom, to Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Then press on Properties, and then you should have all these settings right here. So now what you're going to want to do is I'm going to search in, you're going to search up run, and how you just type that in, you just type in run. Once you have this box open, you're going to type in CMD. Once you do that, you should open up this, and you're going to type in this exact code, ipconfig /all. Wait. Oh, no. ipconfig /all. There we go. I didn't type in fig. So there we go. Now you're going to want to look at this and this. So we're going to obtain automatically real quick. Just for a second. Let me delete all this. So IP address is what you're going to find your IPv4 address. So we're going to go up and try to find IPv4. Right here, IPv4 address, it should be a little preferred next to it. So mine is 10.0.0.14. So we're going to type in 10.0.0.14. There we go. Subnet mask, it may fill in automatically, but sometimes for me it fills in wrong, so you're going to want to double check it. My subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So we're going to fix that, 255.255. There we go. Now default gateway, it should be on this. If not, it's for me it's always the same. It's right here, default gateway. It's a 10.0.0.1. Some people, this is for the Comcast router. Now most people if it's like 192.168.1.1 or .1 192.168.0.1, it's something like that for most people. So just make sure you double check on that, and if you can't find it, then either try 10.0 or try this one, or 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. I think it's a 0.1, honestly. But anyway, now you're going to find DNS servers, which mine is right here. Now you should find two. Mine is 75.75.75, so 75.75. Oh, 75. Ah, shoot. Okay. Okay. 75, 75, 75. And then my bottom one was 75, 75, 76, 76. Okay. So now once you got that, you're going to press on OK. Press close. And it should reconfigure all your internet settings because it saves when you leave it. So it may take a few minutes or a few seconds for you to get back online. If you do not get online and you need to retry it, or just don't want to do it, press on Properties again. IPv4 properties, and just press obtain an IP address automatically, and it should just clear out everything. And you just try to do it again or something. Now once you guys got that, you want to keep this window open for right now, because now you got to do one more thing. You guys are going to want to go to your, type in your default gateway. Mine is 10.0.0.1, and you're going to log in. And once you log in on your whatever box, now the one for, now if you guys don't know your password, I will have a, I think I'll have a little thing in the description below that shows you what your password or your username may be. Sometimes it's always something. I'll tell you. Just look in the description. I should have a username, like an average username, because usually a company will set a username. Like it's always, they set a username. Like it, unless you change it, it's going to be something else. So now you're going to want to go to Advanced Settings and find your port forwarding. And the one that you guys are going to want, now I'm gonna actually X out of this and make a new service. So right here you guys can see I don't have anything port forward. So if I open up my port forwarding checker, which there will also be a link in the description, and you guys have to press on free when you guys install it. So we're gonna go to port checker and type in 255.255.65 and then TCP, and we're gonna check and see if it works. Now, right now it should say it shouldn't work, so nobody should. Yeah, your port is not open or reachable, so no one can go on my server right now if I had it up. So what we're gonna do is your IPv4 address right here, you're gonna want to forward that. So we're gonna add service. We're gonna name it other. Name the server Minecraft, or yeah, service Minecraft. Service type, make sure you have TCP and UDP. If you have to make two different services for TCP or UDP, you can still do that. It should be fine. Now, your server IP address, you can type in 10.0.0.0.14. You're going to type in your IPv4 address for that. Now, the starting port is 25565, and your ending point is 25565. Now, you're going to press on save. I had a space in there. Now, you're pressing save, and when you press save, it should add the service. Now, all these other guys port triggering, I don't use that, so I feel like it doesn't even work. So if you guys, it doesn't work for me. Like, I don't use it. So if you guys, yeah, I don't use it. So there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just gonna forward this. I don't know what that means, but whatever. If you guys now, what you guys are gonna want to do. Sorry, I keep on, So we're gonna check me again, see if it works. So there we go. Your port is now open on this computer. So now people should be able to join your server. Oh shoot, I did not mean to open that. Open the wrong thing right there. So now you can close out of that one box, and we're gonna open up the server. So we're gonna open up the server. We're gonna open up the server and go to. I'm gonna open up my Minecraft and see if it works. It should work, honestly. So we're gonna see what happens. Wait for that to load up. And I should just start another Minecraft box here. Oh, and if you guys do want your server to have more power, like your server is kind of running low, if you guys open up your task manager and you guys go to your details, you can set what you want your server to focus on, what do I want the server to focus most of the power on. If you guys press on the Java one, I believe the Java is the Minecraft one, so if I end task, oh shoot, hold on. It's really confusing because there's 10 different ones here. Here, let's start it back up. And you can also do this for your Minecraft, your Minecraft in general. If you want you to get more FPS or whatever, your computer will focus most of its power on that one application. If you right click on it, so this is a server right here. If you right click on it, press set priority, and you press real time. If you press on real time, it'll focus all of its power on that Minecraft server. So, if you put on real time, it'll focus all the power on the server. So if you guys really have a good amount of people, it's just really lagging bad, then you're just going to press set priority, and I just put it on high, so it'll focus most of the power on it, but I can still have some for me. And guys, if you guys want how to join the server, you guys can't join your server using your IP address. You can't join it using your IP address. You can't type in your IP address and expect to join. I'll show you. The only way for people to join is joining your IP address, not you. So my IP address is, just go on what is my IP address or something, just use one of these websites and it should tell you what it is. So here's mine. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a server, and if I put my IP address, I shouldn't be able to join because it's my server. You can't join your own server using your own IP. But how you guys can join your own server is typing in, adding a server and name it localhost. The server address is localhost, and you should be able to join. So well, that's how you do join, is you have to type in localhost to join your own server, unless you're using a server box or whatever. So, yes, I am on Paul's account right now, so, and it is lagging because I have so much things open on my computer right now, so yeah, there we go. Now, for your friends to join, they're going to want to type in your IP address that we just found on that website. So I'd be giving this to people. I'd be giving this address to people. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That was pretty much the video. That was it. And if you, by the way, quick, if you guys are new to this, to op people, you're just going to type in /op, and then the name. So my name would be Mr. No. So it would op them, or I'd op Paul _5_27_99. That's how you op people. Or you could use this right here. It doesn't matter. And then you type in /stop. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was how to make your own Minecraft server if you guys have been having problems with it. I know I've been watching a lot of videos and nobody knows how to make their own server. It's like really stupid. People do the same thing and it's like, really, that's not how you make a server. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.